What's up everybody, my name is Michael Bonner and I'm so excited that you decided to click this video. I am the 4th grade social studies teacher and 6th grade reading teacher here at the Ron Clark Academy, and I'm so excited because today I have an opportunity to give you a tool that will not only just change your classroom, but it'll actually change your entire school district. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, when it comes to social emotional learning, what I have discovered is it truly sets the temperature for the classroom. Reality of it is, everybody, it's the little things that we do on an everyday basis that actually impact the environment, the mood, and the energy in what we create with our students. Now, in my 9 years of teaching, I have discovered sometimes it boils down to the little things that can either create pain in your classroom or joy, such as unintentionally not answering the kid who has a burning question, or taking the very moment to sit down with somebody for just a minute and ask the child, how are you doing today? And because of that, that is why I'm such an advocate for social emotional learning, because I fully understand that when a teacher grasps onto this ideology, magical things can happen inside of the classroom. But let's be honest, in a world that is full of so much information, where can someone find the proper tools? Well, luckily today, I have an answer for you. PowerSchool is the premier platform that offers comprehensive resources for all stakeholders in education. The unified solutions and products that PowerSchool offers teachers supports the ability to impact their students' social, emotional, and behavioral learning needs. Time is the most valuable asset that we have. It doesn't matter how much money you may possess. When you think about it, you can't buy another second of time. And when you understand that perspective, it shows you how precious every millisecond is to all of us. So if you truly want to make a teacher happy, value their time and then therefore give them something that will help save them time. And that is why I'm so excited that PowerSchool has created a unified platform that supports the entire school system with the software it may need. PowerSchool provides software like Unified Classroom Schoology Learning and Behavior Management Solution, Kickboard for educators like myself, and Unified Talent for HR professionals that all support critical and emotional learning. All of these different programs are under PowerSchool umbrella, which will allow an entire school district to work under one program. How amazing is that? Now, as an educator for 9 years, I'm personally excited about Kickboard and how it provides a comprehensive support to behavior management. Kickboard helps you combine 3 well-known strategies such as MTSS, SEL, and PBIS all under one program. Now, here are 3 reasons why I'm personally in love with Kickboard. Number 1, Kickboard is the only platform that combines students into categories based upon specific behaviors. And this is essential as schools try to figure out and target which behaviors must we focus on to improve the overall climate of our school. Number 2, by focusing on those categories and growing students' social-emotional skills such as self-awareness and self-management, we allow students to identify healthy identities of themselves, which will ultimately let them make healthy choices for their lifestyles as they grow older. And last but not least, one of my favorite features of Kickboard is it gives students the opportunity to take a climate survey, and administrators will have access to that data, which will help drive the best decisions for that school. I mean, come on people, it's pretty clear. PowerSchool is the premier platform that can fulfill all stakeholders' needs inside of the education system. And now, to stay up to date with the latest tips and best practices, make sure that you subscribe to PowerSchool TV YouTube channel, where you will be provided with best tips, helpful hints, and all the latest news that is coming from PowerSchool. Have an amazing day. Peace.